Good morning, family.
Good morning.
Yeah, so this morning we are finally leaving the KOA in Louisville. I don't even know. Do they call it Louisville or Louisville?
Louisville.
I feel like they call it Louisville, right? It's Louisville, right?
Louis.
I think it's Louisville.
Louisville.
It's Louis.
Louisville is what I'm going to call it. We're on a debate. But this morning we are finally leaving. It's been real. It's been nice. It's been quiet. It's been peaceful. It's been easy. Our first week has come to an end, and we are now on to week two. Full-time RVing. And so far, no complaints. We had a couple of hiccups. We couldn't figure out how to keep hot water. What else we had trouble with?
Pepsi.
Had trouble with Pepsi.
I can't. All right, so we're heading out in 30 minutes to our next KOA, which is KOA Bowling Green.
Bowling Green.
Yeah. So we're going to head to Bowling Green because we're waiting to get a car Tow Dolly. We've been waiting for over a week now. They seem to be very hard to find in stock. So
Hey,
yeah,
guys.
we'll check in with you guys when we pull up.
Guys, playing a who's feeling up from
Oh, Lord.
Luna.
Oh,
My cousin. Right
look at
here.
this guy. Hello. All right, guys, so we just arrived to the new KOA, and so far we're actually liking it. We've been here for about 5 minutes. Leroy is setting up so we can level out the RV. This is our spot. So we're literally the very first, I guess you could say we're the second from the entrance. There's an entrance there. We have the pool here. Looks like a community fire pit. There's a grill. And then here we are. And then I'm not sure if you can see like right there through the trees, but here's the playground. Okay.
Do not go on the road. Yeah, how about yourself? Which one you want, buddy? All right, Sonic. All right, 2 Sonics. Oh, thank you. Here you go. Yes, ma'am. Come on, guys. Is it good? Huh?
Right now we are headed to go pick up the Tow Dolly finally. It's been days, but they had it on back order, so.
So yeah, I'm gonna move it right here so it'll be level.
The RV?
Yeah, and then we're gonna have you come up behind so we can load up on it.
Oh my goodness.
So you want me to line up right here? All right.
These kids have no idea. Look at the thing, guys. He's taking it to the car.
If you find yourself in a piece of gravel doing that, you can get you like a piece of wood.
What you got?
It's a full monoplane.
Oh,
The
yeah?
monoplane
Go over there for me.
Did you realize this?
Go over some. Go over here, guys.
Look at the box.
So I can see what's happening here.
And guys, this is a beautiful plane. You can get this now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. It sounds like you surprised them, huh? How you doing, sir? It is hot.
Temperature is like 100 degrees.
Trying to fix it.
Today we're going to do a campfire.
A campfire, yeah, baby. How you doing, mister? I don't know what all that is. The TV got beat up? Oh, no. All right, guys. So, tonight for dinner, we're going to have hibachi style, but we're going to cook the steak and chicken here. Leroy and the boys are gonna light it up. He wants marshmallows that he doesn't eat. He just likes to put them on fire. You're not supposed to be doing that. Get down. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're going to cook the onions, mushrooms, and some zucchini. We didn't do any carrots or anything, so just keep it a little simple. There's the rice we're gonna fry up. Okay, let's see what the boys are doing. Fire is going?
Yeah, it's getting bigger.
It's getting bigger? Alright. So the guys outside doing all the hot work. And I'm in the house getting everything prepped. Yeah? We are comparing the prices here to the prices of Costco. Let's see. Ooh. Some food, ice maker, some firewood, a water dispenser. What else we got? We got a new rug, so we're gonna try out this rug and see if we like it. In the garage area, the colors is like the exact colors of the RV. So you have your light gray, dark gray, cream, beige.
$11.50 though.
Today's savings.
Use your card.
You gonna use my card?
Just in case things go south.
Wait, what did we come in here for? Some paper towels, guys. We came in here for paper towels. It'll never go like we wanted to.
Going up the mountain. Yay!
Hey.
Say that you will have to wear a life jacket.
Perfect.
I don't make the rules. I'm sorry.
So we're about to head into the caves. Are you guys ready for this? He doesn't want to look. Okay. Let's see. So we're loading. I'm gonna duck her head.
Now don't worry, this part only lasts for about 10 minutes.
What? Why am mommy tiny?
Now there will be a little bit of you right here. This is the calcite or formation over here, causing it to grow about a cubic inch every 100 years or so.
Shake it. Shake it like that. You shake it. Shake it. No, shake it. Yeah.
You got him leaning on it, but it's okay.
It makes rock.
Shake it. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
Wow, look at Liam got.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Shake some more.
Help Liam shake it.
Pick it up, Liam.
Wow.
I did it.
That's actually pretty cool.
I want to do it again.
Oh, is that gold?
Dude, that is gold.
Is that gold?
That's gold.
Is that gold?
Wait, I see it was gold. Wow, we're rich.
And what you got? Oh.
He said, whoa, we're
Oh,
rich.
look at this one, huh?
Wait, how does Liam get mega and I get small?
But you got gold though. You don't.
So on weekends,
Did you get wet? Yes. My dad? Yeah. Oh my god! It's like the water